Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. Organic gardening practices to complement your seasonal garden decor. Sustainable garden decoration not only beautifies your space but also promotes woodworking. Furniture and decor have long been celebrated for their timeless appeal and natural beauty. In today's market, the demand for handcrafted, bespoke wooden pieces continues to surge, making it an incredibly profitable niche for artisans and entrepreneurs. High-quality wood furniture not only elevates the aesthetic of any home but also offers durability that lasts for generations. From custom dining tables to unique coffee tables, these pieces serve as functional art. The key to profitability lies in sourcing premium materials, such as hardwoods like oak, walnut, and maple, which command higher prices but deliver exceptional finish and longevity. Additionally, incorporating innovative designs and personalized touches can significantly increase the perceived value of each piece, allowing craftsmen to command premium prices. As consumers increasingly seek authentic and sustainable products, handcrafted wooden furniture emerges as a lucrative and sustainable business opportunity. Decorative wooden accents have become essential elements in modern interior design. Items like wall art, intricate carvings, floating shelves, and decorative panels can dramatically transform a space. These pieces are highly customizable, allowing artisans to cater to diverse client preferences and interior themes. Utilizing techniques such as marquetry, 3D carving, or live edge finishing, craftsmen can create stunning decor items that serve as focal points. The profitability of these products stems from their versatility and the ability to produce them in small or large batches, depending on market demand. Moreover, decorative wooden pieces can be sold separately or as part of a larger home renovation package. With the rising popularity of rustic, Scandinavian, and industrial aesthetics, wooden decor offers endless opportunities for creative expression and high profit margins. One of the most profitable avenues in woodworking is custom furniture design. Clients often seek unique, tailored pieces that reflect their personal style and complement their home interiors. Custom dining tables, beds, cabinets, and outdoor furniture can be priced at a premium, especially when crafted with meticulous attention to detail. Offering bespoke options allows artisans to charge higher rates and build a loyal customer base. The process involves understanding client needs, providing design consultations, and delivering handcrafted products that fit specific dimensions and aesthetics. Investing in advanced machinery and finishing techniques can streamline production and enhance quality. Additionally, marketing through social media, showcasing before and after transformations, and engaging with interior designers can significantly boost sales and profitability in this niche. Adding functional yet stylish decor items like wooden lighting fixtures, planters, and storage solutions broadens the scope of a profitable woodworking business. Wooden pendant lights, wall-mounted planters, and modular storage units are highly sought after in contemporary homes. These pieces combine aesthetics with practical utility, appealing to homeowners and interior designers alike. Creating multifunctional furniture such as fold-away desks or hidden storage beds can maximize space utilization, especially in urban settings. The key to profitability is designing these items with versatility and modern trends in mind. Small batch production allows for customization, while scalable manufacturing can meet larger orders from commercial clients. Developing a recognizable brand around innovative, stylish, and functional wooden decor can open up new revenue streams and increase profit margins. Seasonal and trending designs can boost sales and profitability by tapping into current interior decor themes. For example, rustic farmhouse styles, bohemian chic, or minimalist Scandinavian aesthetics influence consumer preferences. Creating seasonal collections or limited edition pieces can generate excitement and urgency among buyers. Additionally, collaborating with interior designers to develop trend-specific decor items can lead to high-volume orders. Participating in craft fairs, home expos, and online trend reports helps identify emerging styles early. Offering customization options aligned with seasonal themes allows businesses to stay relevant and capitalize on market shifts. Leveraging social media trends and influencer partnerships can further amplify visibility. By staying adaptable and trend-aware, a woodworking business can consistently attract new clients and maximize profits throughout the year. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.